So this week we are going to work more with output, but also how to input data from the council. So you're going to begin with the reading assignment, which is chapter 2. There is a video you can watch which covers the information in that chapter and all of the coding examples that are linked in. And once you get done with that, you can do the understanding check. And remember, you can take that an unlimited number of times, and then you can move on to the lab assignment. And for this lab assignment, we have 3 different exercises, and the lab assignment itself does have a video that kind of walks you through what you need to do. But there's code that you copy and paste, and then there's some directions that you need to read through. Make sure you watch the video because that will give you a lot more detail on what you are supposed to do. Once you get done with those exercises, you can either copy and paste them by going into the text section for submitting, or you can upload the CS files. And just to show you what those look like, you will have to go to where those are stored on your computer. And on my computer, I have a PC. It's under the C drive and users, my username, and source. And then it's in this repos folder. And here's my 110 stuff. And I'm just going to grab any file here because I have a lot of projects. We'll just grab this one. So that is the CS file, and that is the only file that actually has code in it. Okay? The other ones you don't need to upload, but this one I do need. So if you are on a Windows machine, in order to see that extension, the text after the dot, if you go into View and Show, you just want to make sure you have a check next to File Name Extensions, because then you can see it. And then all you really have to do is drag it right up here. Oops, come on. And Canvas is smart enough that all 3 of those exercises are going to have a program CS file. But when you drag, it knows they're different and it will change the name slightly. So you don't really ever have to worry about overwriting the file. Okay, and I'm going to hit submit. And you'll want to do that for each of your exercises. Once you get done with the lab assignment, then we do have a discussion this week, and you can see it is worth 20 points. It is one of our learning outcomes for this course. So its students will identify how the quality of code affects our daily experience and interaction with technology. So to meet this outcome, you are going to think of an application that you use that you enjoy using. So explain what features make the application easy to work with and why you like it. And then think of an application that you don't enjoy using and explain why you don't like it and what enhancement could they make to that application to make it better. And then you're going to read your classmates' postings and reply to 2 of them. And so I went ahead and did an example. And these are really applications that I use and that I like and I dislike. If you want to reply to mine, you can. Or if by the time you do this, there'll probably be additional posts so you can reply to classmates. And that is what we are working on this week. You will notice under additional resources that I took some of the information in the chapter and I have links out so that you can read more about it. And we also have on campus CIT tutoring. So if you're interested in coming to campus, the tutoring is on Thursday at the Innovation Center. If you're interested in that, you can select the link and it will tell you more about it. So that is what we're working on this week. If you have questions or if you run into problems, please let me know. Remember, the best way to get help is to copy the code, paste it into an email, and send it to me. That way I can copy the code, put it into my own Visual Studio, and then I can tell you how to fix it. Okay, so I hope you guys all have an awesome week.